I haven't dreamt so vividly since I was a child. Like last night, I had a vivid dream last night. I can still remember it too. When I was smoking weed and then trying to recount my dreams in the morning, I couldn't. I didn't know what I dreamt about. But I had like a kind of traumatic dream last night about my childhood or whatever. And it's not lingering with me, but the fact that I'm able to recount it is because I don't smoke no more. Second thing, irritation.
So he just said that it's bringing up memories he done forgot about because he started smoking weed. Now, were they traumatic and you want to bring them shits back? I mean, come on now, we don't need a pointer, bro. I stay high for a reason.
You will have peak irritation. When I say peak irritation, meaning you're going to have the most irritation that first week through the third to fourth week, depending on who you are. That first to second week, oh my God. I wanted to wrap my nigga hands around a lot of people's neck and choke the shit out of them. Like, especially at work. Now, to that point of irritation, you become more consciously aware of the things that people say.
Why does bro not have a shirt on? The hell are you doing, bro? Put it, I mean,
To you
God damn it, I got my robe on at least.
Some people think when they smoke
go ahead
weed,
and do your video,
it makes
bro.
them more conscious of everybody's actions. For me, I would beg to differ. For me, when I stopped, it just made me more conscious of my surroundings and the things that people were saying to me. Like, you realize, one, people say a lot of stupid shit. Two, people say a lot of unnecessary shit. Like, why are you talking? Like, you don't have to say anything right now. It's good to have silence. And three, a lot of people are condescending. When I was smoking before work, I really didn't give a fuck because I didn't want to go to work anyway. So I really didn't give a fuck. I would just go to work. I didn't really care about what people were saying too much or what anybody else had going on. But you really noticed that shit. Third thing that I noticed. I said I wasn't going to pause, but shit. Third thing that I noticed. A lot of the times, I was just bored when I was smoking. A lot of times, you just smoke it because it's there. You just smoke it because you see the wood in the ashtray, and you probably just boofed off that hole, and it's just there. That is a bad habit to build on, just doing something because it's there. Think about that. That's talking about weed. Now, are you eating food just because it's there? Are you actually hungry and need to nourish and fuel your body? You need to take that thinking on to other things. Same thing with drink. Are you drinking because it's there and you have nothing to do? Find something to do. Fourth thing that I noticed, my conception of time is a lot differently. When I was smoking weed, it was like time would slow down for me. Some people say time speed up for them. No, when I was smoking weed, time would slow down. And I would just be in a flow state with doing that. Like, I probably smoke, be on my phone, but really I smoke me staring off into space and just thinking, just have, you know. But now that I stopped smoking, it seems like time goes faster. And then I'm more consciously aware of what I'm doing with my time. Like, I look at an hour, 1 hour completely differently now. I look at 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, completely different now. You will appreciate how you're spending your time a little more and how you see time a little more. The fifth and final thing that I've noticed, among other things, because I got a lot of things I've noticed, but for this video, the fifth and final thing that I've noticed is how much money I have in saving. Like, I would spend a ridiculous amount of money a week to maintain a habit. The funny thing about the human mind, in coordinates with the human body, if you have a habit, no matter what you're going through, no matter how much money you make, just no matter what the situation is in life, you'll figure out how to get it. Now, if we applied that same thinking into how we chase whatever goals that we have, like no matter what I'm going through, I'm gonna get this job, I'm gonna get this skill, I'm gonna have a relationship I want. If we applied that same thinking into the bad habits that we have, we'd be a lot better people.